Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by pinching your device's display. Now select this gear at the bottom right corner of it. Tap on More. And after scrolling down, select Icon Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider to adjust them. Click on Home button and tap on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!